flight. Once, a dream scribbled into the margins of Da Vinci's Codex on the flight of birds. He believed nature held the secrets to lift, drag, and possibility. But he lacked the tools. Today, we have them. Nanotechnology, aerospace design, AI, and chickens. This is KERTEX, an advanced aerospace material engineered through nature, powered by science, and made from waste.
Hi, I'm Dr. Tara Suter, and I came up with the idea behind KERTEX.
Every year, the US generates over 4 billion pounds of feather waste. To most, it's a nuisance. But to an aerospace engineer with a background in biomimicry and drone flight, it looked like potential.
KERTEX uses a waste product in order to create a high-performance fiber. Every time you eat a chicken, there's a lot of feather waste associated with that. And so I think it's something like 4 billion pounds of chicken feather waste a year.
A feather isn't just beautiful, it's engineered by nature. The closer you look, the more extraordinary it becomes. The secret is keratin, one of nature's toughest biopolymers, also found in hair, wool, even horns.
So I spent a lot of time in grad school studying feathers, a pretty amazing structure that's evolved over millions of years of evolution.
But turning keratin into usable fiber? That's the hard part. Our team focused on advanced manufacturing techniques to do what no one else had done. Spin feather keratin into performance-grade yarn.
Where we've focused on is in fiber making, which is the most challenging part of the process. Once we have the fiber, we can make lots of different yarns by combining it with different materials.
At a time when global supply chains were crumbling, the US military faced uniform shortages. We saw an opportunity. Use American waste to make American textiles mission-ready and fully domestic.
The textile industry in the US has really downsized. That's led to these things like uniform shortages in the military. So the Army was having an issue where they need to be able to produce materials in America. That was kind of the original target, is how do we use raw material that we have already here in the US to make textiles.
KERTEX didn't stop at tactical. Luxury brands saw the potential. There's never been a regenerated keratin fiber like this biodegradable, light, and American-made.
We've found that there's a lot of interest from high fashion brands because there hasn't been a regenerated keratin fiber that's come out into the market. It's a very novel material, and it's also a potential solution to a lot of the wool waste that's out there, since wool is made out of keratin.
Hawaii doesn't produce textiles today, but it could. KERTEX offers more than a material. It offers economic potential, a fully circular American supply chain from feather to fiber.
KERTEX also has the potential to be made completely in America, from sourcing raw material all the way to the end. That would be a whole new industry here in Hawaii, because we currently don't make textiles.
KERTEX is about rethinking the overlooked. It's proof that a waste stream can become a wonder material, that science and sustainability aren't separate paths, they're one and the same.
It's really cool to be able to be working on something that you can actually generate a useful material out of. I think a lot of the team feels that way too. It's a special project because, you know, to make something very basic like a textile, that people have been making textiles for thousands of years, but it's out of this new waste material.
From battlefield to boutique, KERTEX gives new purpose to the feather, light materials, heavy meaning. This isn't just invention, it's impact.